With a displacement of just 7 tonne, this 50-foot Schionning Waterline 1480 is a true performance cruiser, featuring $70,000 worth of recent upgrades. We get a full walkthrough tour on the hard stand in Fiji with our locally based yacht broker Adam Yared.
Malolo, Schionning Waterline 1480 for sale, lying at Bunda Marina in Fiji. A beautiful sunny day here, showing you the cockpit helm station. Plenty of shade, good visibility to the main through this hatch, and it's been kept in good condition. It's been on the hard for 12 months or so, but yeah, nice big saloon area. Down the starboard side, have the galley. Walking through to accommodation, double, nice big head and shower. Plenty of cupboard space and storage here in galley side. Cooktop. You have an aft cabin starboard, which can be used for storage or extra accommodation. Got battery compartment and 3 new AGM batteries there. Navigation station. Head port side. We have Rainman water maker system, some water tanks and water heater. Everything very well kept. The boat's nice and cool. Note, it's 25 seat outside, it'll be cooler inside. Settee slash workshop area on port side. Coming through to port side accommodation. We have another double here, but currently used as storage. You can see all the cabinetry and joinery is very nicely done, and she's in great condition. I'll go and do the hull next. Malolo underside, she has 0.9 of a metre of bridge deck clearance, which is good for a performance cat like this, 7 tonnes, 50 feet or 48. She's fast and light. She has drop down outboard engines. They're 50 horse Hondas. They come down in these pods. Quite an efficient system, well proven. The hull in good condition. Antifoul would be 12 plus months old, but possibly just rejuvenated for a passage. Anode's in good nick. The bottom is fair and no signs of any intrusion or damage or repair on the hull. Nice Saka style anchor with that slot in the top, which is great for reef in my experience. She's in great nick, ready for blue water cruising.
To download an inventory on the Schionning Waterline 1480, click here.